Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be finding an explicit description of the null space of A. And to do this, we're just going to list the vectors that span the entire null space. So to do this, we want to row reduce it to reduced row echelon form, and because the null space is all solutions to the equation AX equals 0, we're going to make it an augmented matrix and just put the zeros on the rightmost column. So what we're going to do is do negative row 2 and add it to row 1. So the 0 does not change the 1. Negative 3 times 1 plus 3 is 0. Negative 3 times 4 is negative 12 plus 5 is negative 7. And negative 3 times negative 2 plus 0 is positive 6. And then the bottom row stays the same. So we have this. So now this is already reduced row echelon form because all leading ones have a 0 above it. So we're just going to write it. So write the solution. So x1 minus 7x3 plus 6x4 equals 0. And x2 plus 4x3 minus 2x4 equals 0. So if we isolate it, we see that x3 and x4 are free variables, but if we isolate x1 and x2, we get 7x3 minus 6x4, and x2 is negative 4x3 plus 2x4. So now we can write the entire solution vector. And again, it's just going to be 7x3 minus 6x4, negative 4x3 plus 2x4, and then x3, x4. And now we can take out x3 and x4 to get the vectors that will span the entire null space. So we can take out a negative 6, 2, 0, 1. So the vectors that will span the null space are just these two vectors, which are 7, negative 4, 1, 0, and negative 6, 2, 0, and 1. So yeah, thanks for watching.